Imagine a world where the sun, our ever-present source of light and warmth, suddenly vanishes, gone, without a trace. For 24 hours, the Earth is plunged into an unimaginable darkness. What would happen to life, to nature, and to us? As the sun disappears, the first thing we notice is the swift and eerie darkness. The world, accustomed to the steady rhythm of day and night, is thrown into chaos. The daytime sky, once a vibrant blue, now turns an unnatural shade of black. Within moments, the temperature begins to drop, as the sun's energy that sustains life on Earth starts to fade away. In cities, the lights flicker on, but something deeper, something essential, is missing. In the absence of the sun, temperatures would begin to plummet. Within hours, the Earth's surface temperature would drop drastically. By the end of the first 24 hours, we would see a global average temperature of around -18 degrees C, 0 degrees F, freezing for most of the world. In the coldest regions, the freezing temperatures would be catastrophic for many species that rely on warmth for survival. Even the hardiest creatures would struggle. Without the sun, photosynthesis, the process that fuels life on Earth, would cease. Plants would begin to die within hours, and the food chain would collapse. Herbivores, which rely on plant life, would begin to starve, followed by the carnivores. The oceans, once teeming with life, would start to cool, affecting marine species. Many marine creatures would not survive the rapid temperature drop. For humans, the loss of the sun would bring immediate challenges. Without sunlight, solar power would be unavailable. Electrical grids would struggle to supply power as demand rises for heating and light. Without the sun, the world's energy supply would be under immense strain. As the temperature continues to drop, people would rely on backup power sources. However, the crisis would quickly overwhelm any system. Beyond the physical effects, the psychological toll of a 24-hour sunless world would be profound. Humans, creatures of habit, would struggle with the disorienting darkness. Our circadian rhythms, our natural sleep-wake cycles, would be disrupted, causing confusion, stress, and panic. And then, after 24 hours, the sun reappears, the sky lightens, and warmth begins to return. But what remains? A world shaken, with ecosystems damaged and humanity deeply unsettled. The fragile balance of life, held together by a single star, has been tested. So, as we bask in its light once again, we are reminded that our world, and all life on it, is intricately connected to this powerful star. A disappearance, though brief, reminds us just how important it is. It is a reminder how dependent we are on this constant presence, the sun. A single day without it reveals the delicate web that sustains life on Earth. But for now, we are safe, and the sun continues to shine, reminding us of the wonder and fragility of our world. A new journey begins with a new one on YouTube, and your support fuels our passion. Subscribe now, and ring the bell and be part of something extraordinary. Together we create, we explore, we evolve.